Let go line forward, area todo proa.
Area todo proa.
Biso pwede na tayo gamit makina.
Pwede na sir sa Popa.
Okay.
Go ng headlights for the picking up.
Oh, area na din yung spring mo.
Roger.
Atras na ako ha. Sige, area na spring mo kung babalik tayo.
Roger.
Dead slow stern. Advice lang 3 knots.
3 knots.
Oo. Atras na ako, pro ha. Libre na kayo dyan. Midship rudder. Oo. Oh, thank you.
Forward sir.
Okay, clear forward. Hard port. Oo. Monitor ka lang dyan, distansya mo sa breakwater po pa. 2.2? Okay. 2.5.
3-0 distansya dito sa maliit na pasero.
Okay, thank you. 2.8, thank you. 3 knots, okay, thank you. Stop engine. Hard port. 3.3, hard port. Hard port now, okay. Three knots astern. Dead slow ahead.
Let's go ahead.
Up thrust to port.
Up thrust to port.
Full thrust to port. Jay, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-assist, Jay. Magandang umaga, Jay. Good morning. Bye-bye. Okay, Jay. Thank you. Stop thrust. Midship rudder. Steady. Starboard 5. Okay, thank you. Slow ahead.
Ng kuya, sir, forward.
Okay, forward, thank you. Midships. Up ahead. Full ahead.
Team dulo ng breakwater, starboard side.
Okay, copy up, thank you. Rang up. Good morning sa lahat. Hindi pala kami nakaalis kagabi kasi malakas yung hangin. Southwest, hindi kami makalabas kaya ngayon lang kami lumabas umaga na hindi na malakas yung hangin. Shout out pala sa mga kasamahan natin, mga taga-domestic, yung mga follower viewers natin kay Ashlat Andong sa Infinity X, tapos si Ronald Patagani. Shout out sa lahat. Thank you, God bless.
Boy number 3, starboard side.
Okay, thank you. Secure the briefing, forward and up. Thank you, dismiss.
Secure the briefing.
Okay, thank you. Oh, rang up na. Starboard kay.
Secure, sir. Dismiss.
Okay, thank you.